Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So let me show you the steps. Once a video is deleted on TikTok, there is no built-in method to recover it within the app. However, there is a possibility of retrieving the video if you had enabled the Save to Device option in your video settings. By having these settings turned on, the video would have been automatically saved to your device's camera roll during the initial posting. To verify if this option is enabled, you can follow the steps like launch the TikTok app and then access the camera and capture a brief clip. After capturing the video, tap the check mark and proceed next to the screen and scroll down on the next screen and select more options. Confirm that Save to Device option is toggled on. By ensuring that Save to Device option is activated, you can mitigate the risk of losing your TikTok videos permanently. This way, even if you delete a video on TikTok and later regret it, you will still have the content available on your device's camera roll, allowing you to potentially re-upload it in your app if you desire. So access your profile by launching the TikTok app and tapping on your profile picture. And then in the right corner, you will find the three dots. Tap on the three dots to open the options menu. From the menu, choose settings and privacy to access your account settings. And within the account settings, look for manage account and select it. A new list of options will appear. Among them, you will find deleted videos. Tap on the option to proceed. In the list of deleted videos, locate the specific video you wish to recover. Once you have identified the video, tap on it and select it for recovery. Finally, within the video details, you will see an option labeled Restore. Tap on the option to initiate the recovery process. After tapping Restore, the video will be successfully returned to your profile, visible to you and your followers. So yeah, this is how you can just restore or recover your deleted TikTok videos. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.